My dear students, in this session we are going to learn about circles. A circle is a simple closed curve which is not a polygon. What is the definition of a circle? A circle is a simple closed curve which is not a polygon. Let us learn about parts of circle. Center. The fixed point in a circle is center. Middle point of a circle is called its center. Radius, diameter and chord. These are the parts of circle. We'll explain about these parts in detail afterwards. And last point is circumference, the distance around the circle. You can say perimeter of a circle is called circumference. Let's understand this. What is the center of this circle? O, middle point of circle. That is center of the circle. Now radius. OC is the radius. It is denoted by R, small r. OC is radius. We can say the chord of a circle which has its center as a starting point and another point is on the circle. Look, O is a starting point, C is on the circle. Can you find out another two radius in this circle? OD and OE. These are the radius of a circle. Now diameter. A diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle. From this definition you can find out the diameter. Diameter is denoted by small d. Diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle. You can see this is our diameter. Chord. A chord of a circle is line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Here we have two chords, this AD and AC. A chord of a circle is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Remember that diameter is the biggest chord. Now circumference. You can see red line. Circumference means simply perimeter of the circle. It's called circumference. The distance around the circle is the circumference. I hope you have understood about circle. Now let us solve exercise 4.6. Exercise 4.6. Here we have one figure and we have to find out its parts. Number A is the center of the circle. Which is the center of the circle? O. O is the center of the circle. Next is radius. We have to find out radius. Always remember radius has two endpoints. One is the center of the circle and another one is on the circle. So let's start. OC, then OA and OB. These are the radius. Next, a diameter. Diameter is a chord which pass through the center of the circle. Here we have one diameter only. Which one? AC. We have one diameter, that is AC. D is a chord. Here we have one chord ED. Chord ED. Now tell me the points in its interior. In interior The points are O and P. In exterior, only one point is there, that is Q. A sector, OAB, is a sector, and a segment is ED. These are the parts of a circle. Question 2. Is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Yes, every diameter of a circle is also a chord. What is the definition of chord? A chord of a circle is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. And diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle. So every diameter of a circle is also a chord. Next is every chord of a circle also a diameter? No, every chord of a circle is not a diameter. Only the chord passing through the center of the circle is called diameter. Now question 3. In question 3, you have to draw a circle and mark its parts. This question you have to solve by yourself. And in question 4, we have true false. Try to solve these two true false. I hope you have understood this chapter very well. Don't forget to use scale, pencil, and rounder to draw the diagrams, and I hope you will do neat and perfect work. Thank you.